Greetings and salivations, everyone. I'm Krista. This is Fisher. Welcome to CRAD. This is the way to make your own Life Day orbs. So stay tuned.
CRAD.
Hi, everybody. Well, hello, everyone. Welcome. We hope everyone's doing totally rad today. Life Day is coming November 17th, and we are going to make some Life Day orbs and show you how to do it so that you can have some to celebrate this Wookiee holiday. So, Fisher, I am going to have to set you to the side. Are you good with that?
I'm good with that.
All right, my little dude. Boop. We will see you in a little bit. So for those who don't know what Life Day is, it is a Wookiee holiday celebrating joy, life, and harmony. And it's celebrated by Star Wars fans every year on November 17th, which is the day that the Star Wars Christmas special was released. I think it was 1978. That thing, you can find it on YouTube, so check it out. It's a cult classic. It's never been released anywhere on DVD or anything, other than when it played on TV back when I was a little girl. But one of the things in the Life Day celebration are these Life Day orbs. This is the one that they sold at the Disney parks a couple of years ago. Now the orbs are typically clear or blue, and they contain a field of stars that represent the afterlife. So this one does light up. And we are going to the parks for the first time ever to celebrate Life Day, which I'm really excited about. We'll be on Batu with a bunch of friends celebrating, and not everybody has one of these. So I decided we're gonna make some. So especially, you saw Fisher has his little Fisher size one. I decided we're gonna make some, and then I decided we're gonna show you how to do it too. So you can have something fun to celebrate Life Day if you don't have one of these. So as I mentioned, they are typically clear or they are typically blue. Very pretty. And I've already pretty much done most of them. I'm still waiting on some stuff to dry. So let me just show you the materials real quick. So you need a 4-inch DIY snow globe, or if you're making them for Grogu's, a 2.7-inch DIY snow globe. They have plastic bases. So you're also going to need acrylic paint, gesso, which is like a primer, paintbrushes, of course, or sponges, whichever you want to use, some cellophane, and lights to go inside to light up your globes. Now, as you can see on these, I've already painted the bases. I did kind of a wooden type base for the Fishers. This one is like a weathered metal type base. And I do have some bigger wooden ones, smaller metal ones, once I'm finished everything. Now, Fisher's is blue inside, as you can see, and it is all lit up. But to do the blue inside, you drip it down the sides of the inside of the globe, and then you roll it around until it is only covering the globe. You do not want to fill the entire globe up with paint. And then once all of your globe is covered, turn it upside down over a cup and let it drip and dry. It took my little ones about 24 hours to dry completely, and it's gonna take a little over 24 for these. These are still a little wet, but that's okay. So once you have either painted, or if you want to go clear, that's when you're gonna pull out your lights and your cellophane. I'm actually gonna pull this one out so you can see what I did. So I used holographic cellophane because I thought it was really pretty. And then I have a string of battery-powered fairy lights, and the cellophane I cut up into smaller pieces so that it would kind of be easier to get inside the globe. Cellophane's already in there, so I'm going to put some cellophane in, and then I'm going to wind some lights inside. And some more cellophane. And we're going to get it all inside, including the little on-off switch battery pack. I'm going to kind of hide that in the middle Wrap some cellophane around it maybe. And then just screw the base on. You don't have to pack the cellophane in there really tight. You actually don't want it too super tight because you want your lights to kind of be all around it, not compact into one area. But you can play around with it and get it perfect. With Fisher's, I also, because I did a kind of really watered down blue on his, and it made it almost kind of like a frosted blue, I did pack cellophane inside his as well. He chose multicolored lights. And again, you can turn these on and off really easily. I do have one of the actual regularly painted blue ones. That one, I did not do cellophane. I just did, the other ones were a warm white. This is like a really bright white. I thought those were better inside the blue painted ones. That way it puts off a lot of light. And you guys, I know you can't really see what I'm talking about, so let me turn the lights out so you can get a better look. So how pretty is that? And I made sure, I mean, it's still a little light out and I have my lights on in the back, but I made sure it was a little bit dark enough so you guys could see just how pretty these are. So that is how the clear one turns out. This is just the plain blue. As you can see, even though I dried the paint, still have a little bit of, but that's okay, it gives it a little bit of uniqueness. But that is how the blue without the cellophane inside turns out. And then this is Fisher's. Let that adjust there. There we go. Fisher's is like that ice blue with the colored lights inside of it. But I think they all came out really, really super cool. I will put a picture of the blue ones once they're dry on our Instagram. If you're not following us, it's at CRADTV on Instagram. But totally, totally fun. What do you guys think? But let's get those lights back on. But these came out great. I love them. They're not that expensive. Overall, each globe cost me less than $5 to make. So, not bad. You just have to know how to shop, how to find the right materials, and to just have fun with them. What do you think, guys? How will you be celebrating Life Day? Let us know in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more awesome and totally rad things in the future, or get some DIY tips, please subscribe to our channel and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss seeing us. And I guess there's only one thing left to say, right? We'll see you later.